Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nerd Zombie Goddess. Okay, I am a glutton for punishment. I did not like how that last watercolor turned out, so I'm not going to give up. I'm going to do another one and see if I can improve. I did learn a lot from that last one, so we're going to see if I can improve on what I was doing, I guess. It's another tree because I feel like I need some practice. So I'm just going to start by wetting my paper. It is still World Watercolor Month, so if you haven't learned watercolor and you want to, now's the perfect time to do it. Now, one of the things I was doing wrong, I'm going to try to correct, is lighter washes. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have some washes made up here. This is Arches hot pressed watercolor I'm using, 100% cotton. Okay, we're off to a good start. Nice light layers. I gotta keep that in my brain, guys. My tape isn't sticking, so I think all the color's running under the tape. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits here. Overall I'm pretty happy with it, so I'm gonna pull off the tape and see what we got. I overworked it a little bit still, but it's way better than the last 2 or 3 I've done. I did like the mushroom, I did, but the other trees I did, I don't think were as good as this one. Everything's curling because I took the tape off. But overall, I think it turned out decent for early watercolor, you know, just learning. So I'm pretty happy with it. I'm probably the happiest with this one out of all of them I've done so far. So hopefully that means, you know, they'll just keep getting better and better as I go. But I appreciate you all, everybody that stuck it out to the end of the video and watched how this came out. But other than that, we'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.